Hey guys, my name is Briddy and I went to New York last year, so this wasn't filmed anytime recently, do not worry. And for context, I am Chinese Australian and I live in good old Sydney, so this was the first time I went to New York, and yeah, this is the second part of my New York vlog. So I'll have a link to the first part if you haven't seen that yet, and yeah, let's just get started. I feel like each morning is the same. I wake up late and life is great. So my mom just went out and she went Boston, so I'm here with my sister. I have my strawberries, which kind of look gross because they're all getting a little off. And I also have blueberries, so health kick right here. This is literally what I'm going on in front of me right now. Ooh, these strawberries look so red. Hi, Bella. My attire looks very disproportioned and mismatched, but I will fix that later. But first, we're gonna go find picnic food because Bella and I are gonna go Central Park and chill because it's just like, I don't know, like it's like the best feeling ever. Like I can't explain it. With our picnic stuff in our bag, we just took like a sheet from like the bed and like that's gonna be our rug. Ooh, bruh.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
This is so big. How is it?
It actually tastes so good as well. It's actually so good. One of those. That looks yummy.
So hot. Yeah, it's really hard. Shoulder.
Dun, 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 dun. This is so nice. Okay, so Bella and I just set up a little picnic for ourselves. We're at Central Park and I don't know which end we're in, but it's super cute. We brought our bed mattress sheet out. Oops. And we used it as a big picnic blanket. We got some baguette bread, Paris baguette breads. And we also went to Whole Foods and got some super green.
Yes.
I should have brought something to wash the plums with. I also got this, which is like mango sorbet. I don't know how close I can actually get. Oh my gosh, that is... Ooh, that is such bad quality.
That is so bad.
I got some bread. Bella also got some bread.
Yeah. It's like very sugary with twisted thing.
This is probably like the best moment of my life.
Same. Actually, maybe.
We got back home. It is about 6 p.m. I want to say, and outside is still bustling and busy and it's still daylight. I love New York, guys. New York is amazing. Should we do a grocery haul?
If you want to.
Oh, the ice cream. We need to eat the ice cream,
yeah.
bro. Yeah, wait. We need to eat that. This is our ice cream, which is slightly melted. Also, I don't think I've done a room tour yet, so I'm gonna show you guys our room. Frontish door, and then we have the bathroom. Okay, this is our bathroom, and this photo is so creepy. And then we have the toilet, shower, our ice bag for all our goods, because we put ice over all of our snacks so that it stays like cold. Mirror. Then we come down here, we just have our closet. Then we just have our 2 beds, so we have 2 doubles and Bella and I just share. Our mom's coming around from Boston later. Anyways, so we're just chilling in bed and then we're just gonna wait. Ooh,
What a scene.
what a scene. We're back here again. Just stand next to
你好，我的名字是。
That's so cool.
Imagine if you have. Manali, just pick emoji.
Oh, that's cool.
Hello.
Heading to Brooklyn Bridge now. I feel like I overdid with the blush today though. Look at that, Bella. There's like a line between like my eye. It's like walking the Harbour Bridge. It's like, not that long. Oh,
Actually, someone spotted. Where is it? I don't even.
There in the middle.
Oh, do you see it? The tiny little thing holding like a light of, like a. Can you see it? Yeah. Hello, we sisters. I'm the sister too.
But I don't want to drop it down the road. We literally just made it.
We did not just make it.
Yeah, we did. The next day, and I'm really digging my outfit today. Bella, do you want to say hi?
Oh, hi, I dig your outfit too.
This hat, by the way, is from Japan. So I got this one in Harajuku. We're gonna get going ASAP, and we're gonna go to see the Statue of Liberty today. Because, you know, we're in New York. So, because as tourists, we should do that. Guys, look how dangerous that looks. They're cleaning the windows on like the other side. See, look, they're just like, how does that work? They have like that tied up there. They're just, yeah, this is like the bustling streets of New York down there. It's really cool. Like, I love when we get down there. It's always like really hectic. I don't know why. I just like it when it's like super busy. We're getting food right now at Red Eye Grill? Yeah, Red Eye Grill. I think we're gonna get the quesadillas, a salad, one of these, and probably this one. It's actually really pretty here. Oh, look at her go. Look at Mama go.
Hi, so Brittany's eating.
It actually looks really good.
I think you can finish it.
I think I can. Right?
Maybe. Let's try the quesadillas. Eat it.
Official taste.
Nice.
Other streets
Of the best
in New Jersey.
Look at that.
I'll try.
Hey. So I know what content Brittany needs for her YouTube. Hey. It's really good content for your posts.
So we just stopped off and I got an iced chocolate. Expensive ass thing of fruit.
I thought it was a tissue.
This is so nice. I would totally come here for like heading out to Central Park, and we're gonna do another little picnic sort of, but more like a stroll. And we're really hungry right now, so I'm gonna go bakery. I think we're gonna go Paris Baguette just because they have like good bread. So I'm gonna go there, get some snacks, and go. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Sausage bread or the
Can I get the pastry? This one? Oh, actually, wait.
Get one of each.
Okay.
One more share. Hello. We're at Central Park again. We got breakfast. We got little green juices from somewhere. Juice Generation. We're probably gonna stay here for a little while, and then Bella and I are heading off with my friend Alicia because we're going to Smorgasburg, which is apparently this massive like food festival place. But I don't know, like apparently it's really good, so I hope it's really good. Cool video. Oh. So we got to Smorgasburg.
It's really nice.
It's so nice. Oh, this is a giant mango, by the way. Bella and I just got back inside, and I'm gonna go. We're gonna go meet Zoe, not Zoe, and yeah, we're having dinner with her. Anyways, we're gonna go dinner now. We're gonna be late, so let's go. And I'll be back home in a bit. So I'm so sorry. I feel like this whole like New York trip vlog has been like all over the place, but like it's only because I don't know, I've just really been like taking in like, you know, the days that I've been here. So it's our final day. We're heading off to Battery Park, and we got breakfast on the go, and we got some like bread as well back here from Paris.
That's statue of me.
That statue of you? So we're heading back home, sort of. And then we're gonna go do some shopping before we leave, because we leave in like the next day. So soon. Okay, we got back a little while ago and we got some stuff, but now we're going dinner. So we're gonna go to this like little Italian restaurant that's like down the street from us, which is gonna be nice. So yeah, I'm really excited about that because I love pasta. I love carbs. Hi. 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 Okay, it's time for dinner.
We are heading towards our dinner place. So basically, dinner is less than 2 blocks away. So I'm going to record it. This is our dinner actually. We've arrived.
Oh, you just lit up mine.
It looks so...
We're back home and we got some... Okay, so we got some Mochi ice creams from Whole Foods, which is so cool. There's like this whole bar and you can like pick out your own mochi, and it's like 6 for $10, which is kind of expensive, but whatever. I want to taste test this on camera. I'll try like one of them.
Fine.
This is the chocolate one. Wait. Mm. Wait, I'll take a bite. It's like coffee. I'm not into that. I just like mochi. Look at that consistency. Your audience is jealous. Huh? We are leaving.